Welcome to valsquicktips&tricks cooking channel. Saglan tumka yokar maja cooking channel acher, and today I am going to show you how to make a very easy recipe of khichdi. So khichdi is always yummy and tasty for those who relish lentil and rice together. So this is that. So we need half cup of rice. You use kolam rice or sona masuri or jeera rice, any rice. So this is kolam rice, and we need half cup of moong dal. So this is moong dal khichdi. Okay, so we will wash this nicely. So now let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, then we will add few of ginger, 1 whole green chili and 4 cloves. And now we will add water to this and we will cook our khichdi. Okay, the tempering part is later. So I will add 1, 2, 3. So if you add more water is always good. So I will add 4 half cup of measurement. Whatever measurement I have taken, that only I have taken 4 of these. So it's like basically 2 whole cups of water. So this is half. I have used 4. So let's give a whistle now. 3 whistles for this. 3 to 4 whistles. So we'll cover this. So it's on the gas now. And for tempering tadka, we need mustard seeds around 1 teaspoon. Then we need a few of ginger, 1 chili, few of curry leaves, and this is 1 tomato. Okay, if you want to measure it in the cup, then it is 1/3 cup of tomato. So this is what you need. Then we need Kathiawadi garam masala or normal garam masala powder. So Kathiawadi garam masala is extra of cinnamon powder and clove powder. So that is the only difference. And few of coriander leaves we need for garnishing time. So these are the things what you need. Just check. And hing powder, that is asafoetida. So like this only, another 2 whistles. This is done. We check, and here is our khichdi. So now we will do a tempering to this. Now if you want, you can add little bit of more water to this and keep aside. Okay, so we can add little bit of half cup of water to this. And let it, we'll leave it on the gas for a while. Need to take 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. So this is ghee, 1 tablespoon of oil, and there it is my khichdi. I have added water. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of oil to this. And now we will add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So this is my teaspoon, which is easily available on Amazon. Then we'll add our curry leaves to this. And our chili and our ginger and 1 teaspoon of hing powder. 1 teaspoon of hing powder. And 1 teaspoon of Kathiawadi or normal garam masala powder. Then we add our tomatoes. And so if you add more chilies also is fine. It's up to you. I've added only 1 chili. And then we fry all this, and now we will add 1 cup of water into this. So 2.5 cups. So let this get cooked now, the tomatoes. We'll add salt to taste. Salt as per your taste. Also remember, we have added in our khichdi also the salt. So let this get cooked for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the tomatoes are cooked. Now we'll add our khichdi to this. And mix this all nicely. So a few minutes and it's done. So here is our moong dal khichdi ready. We'll add some few green chilies on top and mix this. And we'll put off the gas and we'll serve it hot. So here our moong dal khichdi is ready to eat. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली आणि ही तुम्ही खिचडी खाऊन पळयात. Okay, thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. So now let's serve this moong khichdi with some pure ghee, some save. This is optional. Some chilies, some ginger, and some coriander. So enjoy moong khichdi. Try this recipe. Thank you so much.